Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making oilless chicken fry. Chicken 1 kg, salt as per taste, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli flakes 1 tablespoon, garam masala half tablespoon, red chilli powder half tablespoon. Mix everything, marinate for 1 hour or half an hour. A curd 4 tablespoon. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Yummy chicken ready to eat weight loss recipe. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.